Make a great choice today with the 2019 Ranger. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, alloy wheels, running boards, traction control system, fog lights, navigation system, backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats, steering wheel audio controls. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.